Good morning, good evening, good afternoon from wherever you are watching me from. Welcome to yet another amazing video. And as I told you, I'm still in the village, and as you can see, we are planting our seedlings. We do this during the dry season before the onset of the rains. And so today I'm going to show you how we do it in the village, or the African way of ploughing using bowls in the village, or how we plant seedlings. I know many people do it their way, but this is what we do. Others use tractors to plant. Others just plow till the land and then plant later on. But this is how we do it in the village. We plow as we plant the seedlings. So this is what I'm going to show you today. And please, if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, kindly do so. Kindly subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you will be notified. You will be the first one to be notified that I've posted a new video. Also, make sure that you like the video. Leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me in the comment section how you do it. How do you plant your seedlings, or how do you prepare your farm before the rains come, or before the rainfall? And also make sure that you share this video with as many people as possible, and tell them to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will really appreciate. So as you can see, everyone is very active. My camera person has decided to go and helping with the bows. Yep, you see, that is how we do it. My son is on that side with a green t-shirt. I have my niece who is planting. I have another niece who is on a pink t-shirt, and then my daughter who is on a red t-shirt. And so these men you see here are the owners of the bulls. You pay them to help you in plowing your farm. Yes, and this is how we do it. This is my lovely, amazing mom behind me. We are all planting. This is how we do it in the village. We drop the seedlings on the already made furrow, and then the bulls will go around covering the seedlings. Yeah, as you can see, I am behind the bulls planting. Then the bulls will go to the end of the farm and then come back covering the seedlings. And so this is how we do it. The reason why I'm doing these videos is because I don't want my generation to come and be asking, how were you doing this thing? How did you do this thing? Instead of all that, I'm doing these videos, keeping them here on YouTube for them to come and see how we used to do things in the village. And so help me by subscribing to the YouTube channel. Make sure every time I post a new video, you watch the video to the end. Don't skip the video. So, and also make sure that you comment. Let's interact in the comment section. It also helps in the growth of the YouTube channel. So let's do this. Let's watch to the end. See how we plant in the village before the onset of the rains. Yeah, so this is how we do it. As you can see, we are teaching the kids how to hold the plow. But as you can see, there is a lot of supervision from the adults. That's my niece and my son. This is how our parents taught us how to hold the plow and to plant during the planting seasons. So we ought also to teach our children what we were taught by our parents, so that they may grow knowing the culture. Yeah, that's my son holding the plow. But as you can see, there is a lot of supervision from the elders. Yeah, the reason why the man over here is helping with the plow is because it is during the rain season. It is during the dry season, and the land was really hard to break through, and so that is why he's holding, or he's adding pressure to it. So this is the second day. That is my brother planting, my niece on a green t-shirt, and I am on a yellow t-shirt. Yeah, everyone is fully involved in this planting. And so as I told you earlier, we were also taught how to plow using the plow. As you can see, I've decided to help the men in holding the plow or directing the plow. So this is me on the plow, and this is my nephew helping in planting. As you can see, my son is all over. He loves the work. Yeah, and so let's do this. Tell me in the comment section whether you have ever held the plow during the planting season. What was your experience in that? As you see, I was enjoying the whole process. So tell me in the comment section what was your experience. Also tell me how you do it during the planting season. I will really appreciate. I will be here to reply to all your comments. So let's do this. Watch to the end. Thank you so much for watching to this far. If you have watched to this far, you are truly a friend to this family. Kindly subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.